Hello, and welcome to another episode of Noah's Food Review. Today, we'll be reviewing Milk's favorite cookie, Oreo.
Sorry for the background. There may be someone playing music. Epic dubstep, by the way.
So now, I will now try a cookie. So, look at these guys. Just look at the bag. Look at the crust. It's so cute. Anyways, Aiden, would you like to do the honors?
Sure. So,
I will do those honors. Okay.
I have put these in the pantry for a long while, so they are good, stiff, and not too stiff.
So let's try them. Wait, 5 seconds.
Yeah, you're going to leave them in the pantry. So you can get the actual good
Now,
taste.
that was very tasty. It was very tasty.
You may try one.
I already had one.
Beep. Anyways, we are back.
I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
Yep. Thank you for watching Noah's Food Review.
And next time, we'll be reviewing Diet Dr. Choice naturally and artificially flavored diet soda.
See ya.